Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we'll be cooking up a mouthwatering dish that combines the goodness of fried salmon with the deliciousness of tacos. Get ready for our crispy salmon tacos. I'm excited to show you how to make this delightful treat. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's gather the ingredients you'll need. Fresh salmon fillets, skinless. All-purpose flour. Paprika. Garlic powder. Salt and pepper. Vegetable oil for frying. Soft taco shells. Diced tomatoes. Sliced avocado. Cilantro. Lime wedges. Sour cream, optional. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the preparation. Start by patting the salmon fillets dry with paper towels. Season both sides with salt and pepper to taste. In a shallow dish, mix the all-purpose flour, cornmeal, paprika, and garlic powder. In another shallow dish, beat the eggs. Dip each salmon fillet first into the flour mixture, coating both sides evenly. Next, dip the coated salmon fillets into the beaten eggs, ensuring they are well covered. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully place the coated salmon fillets into the hot oil. Fry the salmon for about 3-4 minutes per side or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once done, place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Warm the soft taco shells in a clean, dry skillet for a few seconds on each side. Lay the crispy salmon fillets on the taco shells. Top each taco with shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, sliced avocado, and fresh cilantro. Squeeze a generous amount of lime juice over the toppings. There you have it, our scrumptious crispy salmon tacos are ready. You can also add a dollop of sour cream if you prefer a creamier texture. Now, let's give these tacos a try. Absolutely delicious. The crispy texture of the salmon combined with the freshness of the toppings is a match made in culinary heaven. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a delightful weekend treat. I hope you enjoyed making these crispy salmon tacos with us. Remember, cooking is all about creativity, so feel free to add your favorite ingredients or sauces to customize this recipe to your liking. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy cooking.